Hello everyone, my name is Dima and I'm from Integration channel, and in this video I would like to differentiate a new design pattern named Abstract Fabrica, and in previous videos I've checked factory method, so let's try to compare them and check the main difference. So first of all, let's go and check what's Abstract Factory. So the understanding of abstract factory design pattern. Abstract factory pattern is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating families of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. It means that it kind of provide a high level interface or API how the object should behave, but without knowing any specific details about the implementation. And then just the factory method can take care of the implementation details. And yeah, here are key components. So we can see concrete factory, abstract factory, products, and yeah, we can go and try to implement this. So first of all, that's the plan. Just to refresh our knowledge about how regular factory method was working. So based on the input parameters that we can pass to the class, to the creational method, we can create new new entities, and we know the implementation. So here let's start from abstract product. For example, it will be class, let's say car, and it will have some method like show seats. So it will show the amount of seats, and yeah, for now we don't have like an implementation, but we specified that show seats method should be there. Now we can create some concrete products that will extend this abstract product. For example, class van extends car, and it should implement has the same method, show seats, and in this case we will know exactly the implementation. Console log, let's say I have 8 seats, as it is already displayed in console. So, and another one will be some passenger car. So let's say passenger car also extends car, and it will display like something like, let's say I have 5 seats. Yeah, so now we should create an abstract factory. So class car factory, and in this class we will have like create method, also without an implementation. So we just should have this method create. It can be like create new or something like that, and then we should do like concrete factories. So let's go and implement, let's say van factory also extends car factory, and create new should return new van. Okay, so we already created and implemented this method, and we know exact implementation. And another factory that will produce passenger cars, so it will be passenger factory also extends car factory, and it will return new product like passenger car. And then usage, how we can use this. So let's say we have some function, for example create and show amount of seats, and yeah, so this, let's imagine this is some usage, and it will take as an input our factory, and then my factory will be a factory that we will pass, and from our factory we will trigger this create new method. So once we will have this instance, we want to show the amount of seeds. So then we will do my factory and call the method show seeds, something like this, and then we can try it in action. So here is the example. So when we pass, for example, new vent factory, if we let's clear the console, run it, I have 8 seats, so we can see it works pretty well. And the passenger factory, if we will pass and create an instance, we will see that it displays correctly as expected. Thanks a lot, and like and subscribe, and see you soon.